Hey everyone. Welcome back to Easy English Conversation. I'm Emma, and I'm so happy you're here for day 2. Yesterday in day 1, you practiced your full morning routine. From waking up, getting dressed, all the way to arriving at work. That was amazing work. But now, we're moving into the best part of the day. Your evening and bedtime routine. These are the sentences that native speakers use when the day slows down and everything feels more relaxed. This is where the most natural, everyday English really comes out. If you already completed day 1, that is fantastic. If not, don't worry at all. You can always go back and do the morning routine later. Right now, just stay with me, and let's keep building your English together. Here is what we are going to do today. We will practice 12 evening routine sentences, 12 bedtime sentences, and 6 vocabulary secrets that will make you sound just like a native speaker. Go ahead and hit that like button if you are ready to shadow with me. Let's go. Alright, let's start with the evening routine. Remember, shadow every sentence with me. Repeat it out loud, copy my rhythm, and copy my tone. That is how shadowing works. Ready? Here we go. Sentence 1. I finish work and say goodbye to my colleagues. I finish work and say goodbye to my colleagues. Sentence 2. I take the same bus back home every evening. I take the same bus back home every evening. Sentence 3. I stop at the grocery store on my way home. I stop at the grocery store on my way home. Sentence 4. I grab some milk, bread, and fresh vegetables. I grab some milk, bread, and fresh vegetables. Sentence 5. I get home and change into comfortable clothes. I get home and change into comfortable clothes. Sentence 6. I cook dinner in my small but cozy kitchen. I cook dinner in my small but cozy kitchen. Sentence 7. I eat dinner while watching my favorite TV show. I eat dinner while watching my favorite TV show. Sentence 8. I call my parents to check on how they are doing. I call my parents to check on how they are doing. Sentence 9. I do some light exercise in my living room. I do some light exercise in my living room. Sentence 10. I read a few pages of an interesting book before bed. I read a few pages of an interesting book before bed. Sentence 11. I tidy up the kitchen and wash the dishes. I tidy up the kitchen and wash the dishes. Sentence 12. I prepare everything I need for tomorrow morning. I prepare everything I need for tomorrow morning. Wonderful work. Those 12 sentences cover everything you do in a typical evening. Practice these every day, and they will become completely automatic. Now, let's move into the second part. It is time for your bedtime routine. These sentences are calm, peaceful, and very useful for everyday conversation. Shadow them slowly and clearly with me. Sentence 1. I take a warm shower before going to bed. I take a warm shower before going to bed. Sentence 2. I put on my comfortable pajamas and feel relaxed. I put on my comfortable pajamas and feel relaxed. Sentence 3. I brush my teeth one more time before sleeping. I brush my teeth one more time before sleeping. Sentence 4. I wash my face and apply some moisturizer. I wash my face and apply some moisturizer. Sentence 5. I set my alarm clock for 7 o'clock sharp. I set my alarm clock for 7 o'clock sharp. Sentence 6. I turn off all the lights in the apartment. I turn off all the lights in the apartment. Sentence 7. I check that the front door is locked. I check that the front door is locked. Sentence 8. I get into bed and pull up the blankets. I get into bed and pull up the blankets. Sentence 9. I put my phone face down and try not to scroll. I put my phone face down and try not to scroll. Sentence 10. I think about the good things that happened today. I think about the good things that happened today. Sentence 11. I close my eyes and take a few deep breaths. I close my eyes and take a few deep breaths. Sentence 12. I sleep peacefully and wake up ready for a new day. I sleep peacefully and wake up ready for a new day. Excellent! You just completed 24 daily routine sentences today. Combined with day 1, you now have over 50 sentences, covering your entire day in natural English. That is something to be really proud of. But we are not done yet. Now let me share 6 vocabulary secrets that will make your English sound much more natural and fluent. Secret number 1. Use the word sharp for exact times. Instead of saying at 7:30, say 7:30 sharp. It sounds confident and native. Secret number 2. Use grab instead of take for quick actions. Say I grab my bag, not I take my bag. Grab sounds fast and natural. Secret number 3. Use check instead of look at. Say I check my phone, not I look at my phone. Native speakers use check all the time. Secret number 4. Use turn on and turn off for everything electrical. Turn on the coffee machine. Turn off the lights. These 2 phrases are super useful every single day. Secret number 5. Say get into bed, not go to bed. When you are actually lying down, say I get into bed. That is what native speakers say. Secret number 6. Say tidy up instead of clean. When you organize things quickly, say I tidy up the kitchen. It sounds much more natural than I clean the kitchen. Practice these 6 secrets every day, and people will notice the difference in your English immediately. Amazing work today. Let's quickly review what you learned. You practiced 12 evening routine sentences. You practiced 12 bedtime sentences. And you learned 6 vocabulary secrets to make your English sound more natural. Here is your homework for this week. Practice day 1 and day 2 every single day. By day 7, these sentences will come out automatically, without even thinking. Comment challenge. Write 3 sentences about your evening routine using what you learned today. I read every single comment, and I love seeing your progress. Don't forget to subscribe to Easy English Conversation. We are making English simple, natural, and useful for your real life. If this video helped you, please share it with a friend who also wants to improve their English. Thank you so much for shadowing with me today. Keep practicing, stay consistent, and I will see you in day 3. Remember, every sentence you practice brings you one step closer to fluency. You've got this.